Alright, so this is an Alberta storm. Alright, I got this. Holy.
I gotta hold that, otherwise.
Look at how fast it's going.
Look over there.
Oh my, look at the color of that.
Oh yeah, look at the poor tree.
What was that? Oh, okay, got it. I got it. I'm holding it. Okay.
That's going to cost me a lot of money.
I got it. Look at this. Go, Daddy. Holy. You should have seen it earlier. They were, there was, the lightning would go and look at how fast it's going. And it would, it was purple. Like it would flash. And because the sky was green, it would like turn purple. Or the lightning would. What was that?
Whoa.
Ooh. Let's close this door. Holy crap. It's going so fast. Yeah, see, purple? Yeah. I'm gonna attach this. See, this is what I miss most about being in Alberta is the thunderstorms. They're like really, really cool. Hey, Dad?
Huh?
Thunderstorms are cool here?
Yeah, very.
Yeah. Look how fast the clouds are moving. I don't know if you can see this. Probably. It's raining all over my phone. We might have a little panther bridge running up here. Hopefully. We're gonna hang out. Do you hear this? That's hail. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I don't know if you can see the hail. Oh, that looks like it would hurt. Oh my god. This is cool. It's a big storm. I'm trying to eat spaghetti before the power goes out. My dad's for some reason running water. I don't know why. I'm gonna eat this spaghetti. Holy! I was like, hey Dad, what is that noise? And he's like, hail. That's loud, that's crazy. How big are they? They're huge. Well, kind of. It smells really good. I hope my friend's not walking in this. Kyle, if you're walking in this, you're crazy.